when he was living in Navadvip, many Brahmins were inviting him because Lord Chaitanya only took food from Brahmins' hands. He traveled all over India with one Brahmin cooking for him. He met for 10 days Ramananda Roy. Ramananda Roy is Vishaka. 10 days he met Ramananda Roy and talked Ramananda Samvad and so many deep subjects. And after speaking, Ramananda Roy would go to his palace and he would not share food with Lord Chaitanya. They spent all night speaking Harikatha for 10 days or so many days. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu followed the Maryada. I am a Brahmin, I will only take food from a Brahmin. Samaste. So that much on one level, all this Rasakatha with Rai Ramananda. Madhya Lila chapter 8. Very important. Mukhya Adhyaya.
Madhya Lila chapter 8.
Ramananda Samvad. Whole Siddhanta is there. Sambandha Videya Prayojan, everything. Sadhya Sadhana, everything is there. Of Gaudiya Sampradaya. So, he wouldn't take food from even Ramananda Roy. Only a Brahmin. So when Lord Chaitanya is in Navadvip, all the Brahmins, oh please come to my house, please come to my house. Many Nirmantrans. Nimai Pandit. Is Bhagavan. Sakshat Sri Krishna. So he said, listen, many Nirmantrans, but if you want me to eat in your house, you want me to come to your house, I give you my ashirvad, then you have to pay me some pranami. Acha? I want 1 lakh. 1 lakh for Saptaha. He said, no, you know what is lakh? Lakhpati is one who chants 64 rounds. So a Brahmin, only this Upadesh is given to the Brahmins, Navadvip Brahmins. Only he's speaking to them. Nowhere else, anywhere he's saying, oh, if you don't chant 1 lakh, I won't take food from you. Nowhere. But people take this one thing and they go everywhere with this one thing. But we have to see everything in context.